Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro, a budget-friendly fitness tracker that promises a lot for its price. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about the design. The Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro sports a sleek, rectangular chassis with a 1.74-inch AMOLED display. It's lightweight and feels comfortable on the wrist, which is great for extended wear during workouts or throughout the day. The display is bright and sharp, making it easy to read in various lighting conditions. In terms of performance, this device impresses with its array of sensors and built-in GPS. Whether you're tracking your steps, heart rate, or using GPS for outdoor activities, it delivers accurate results comparable to much pricier competitors. The battery life is another standout feature, boasting up to 14 days on a single charge, although this can vary depending on usage. Navigating the Xiaomi Mi Fitness app, which pairs with the Smart Band 8 Pro, wasn't the smoothest experience initially, but once set up, it provides a decent dashboard for viewing your health data. It lacks deeper analysis compared to more expensive options but covers the basics well. Comparing it with competitors like the Fitbit Inspire 3 or Honor Band 7, the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro stands out for its value and performance. If you're new to fitness tracking or on a budget, this could be an ideal choice. To sum it up, the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro is a solid entry-level fitness tracker that doesn't compromise on essential features. It's great for tracking your daily activities and workouts without breaking the bank. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable fitness companion, this might just be the one for you. That concludes our review of the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.